So here we are, Friday morning. It's 5 to 9. It's cold. There's ice on the car outside. I'm on my way to Anderton. Take my bike and get it serviced.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
I gotta watch it. It is cold. Not as cold as it was on Sunday when we went out though, even though it's got a bit of frost on the car. Just gotta watch it on the roads. Yeah, I'm off today, so I'm gonna go out. R-Brof's after we drop card off. Deb's on the way down now, following us. He's gonna pick us up. And R-Brof's gonna wait there till they ring me and tell me he's ready. She'll probably be all day because he said they were busy. He'd only just managed to squeeze me in. Do you want to build a snowman? So yeah, hopefully let's see what this 4K looks like. It's not taking any more memory up because I've dropped it down to the 30 frames. But it should look better, hopefully. We'll see. We will bloody see, we will. Build a snowman. Should have been in Frozen, I should have. It's fucking frozen on Sunday. It took me about an hour to defrost next to the radiator after that ride. It was cold. It's no fun. No fun. Unless you've got all heated clothes on a bike. Fuck the cold. Stay in. Stay in. Don't know why I revved up then. Let's just not talk about that. Don't know what happened. I'm sure that person in the car was as embarrassed as I was. The lodge. It's actually called the lodge now. Never knew that. Everybody used to call it lodge, but it's called the Whittington Lodge. The official name. No, it's just the lodge. Oh my giddy aunt, what was that I saw? There's no entry signs there, but I'm hardcore, so I'm going in. Is it there? It's the next one.
Nope.
It's in this one, and then around the back. Well, I never knew that. Been that long. Well, Weaver. There we are. Well, that's it, service done. What price do you reckon it was? Let me tell you, how's it expected? Well, I don't know, to be honest. I've never really just had a service on its own, I've always had exhaust fitted or something. But yeah, I was happy with it. 167 quid all in. So yeah, I'm happy enough. I was expecting, I would have been happy under 200 quid, didn't have a clue, because I'm fucking clueless on shit like this, but yeah, 167 quid more than happy with. And they fitted me in at short notice, so I'm happy now. I've got another year of solid motoring. All I need now is my bar risers come. I think they're due on Tuesday. Let's see if Fly Hog will have a look, see if we can fit them. The brake lines are long enough and that, hopefully, and that'll be them raised another 30 mil. Best thing I ever did was do my bike test. Just gutted I never did it earlier. Yeah, super fly Hoggy in the Volvo there. Right, Hoggy! Old dog took me up there, the lad did. Picked my bike up. Oh god, this bike is a proper winder. Anyone got newborn children, strap them to the back of this. They've got wind, this will get it up, I'm telling you. Oh, it makes you feel bloody alive, it really does. Oh, you cheeky little daft bastard. See what I did there? Get it? Daft bastard. Fucking comic. He's on his phone in front of this bell end. See him looking down in his fucking lap. You asshole. Keep rolling off, keep rolling. It's my girl. Keep rolling, my love. You can do it if you really want. Oh god. Right, well, yeah, that was it. Boring as shit video, but it answers questions. If you take your bike Street Triple R for its yearly service at 2 Mac Motorcycles, you're looking 167 quid. So yeah, questions were answered, weren't they? I'm like a fucking prophet, aren't I? Like a prophet. Right, so that's it. I'm going to turn you lot off now, so your stalkers don't know where I live.